Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. Today we're going to be doing a little resin art, and this is just a 16-inch round I picked up at my local hardware store. And I prepped this with some spray paint primer, and then I painted it black with acrylic paint. I'm going in with my Pro Marine resin, and I mixed that up off camera for 3 minutes. That one's a 1-to-1 ratio. I think I used about 10 ounces for this piece. So now I'm just going in with my Angel White and my Artisan Mica Pigment in Onyx. And then I'm going to go in with my Mehron Gold for some highlights, and I will link all these products down below in the description. And if you want to see a tutorial on how to mix up your resin and all your pigments, I have a few of those as well, so I will link those down in the description, so check those out too. So I'm just going in and adding some gold highlights. I didn't really do too much to this piece, and I totally apologize, but my camera stopped recording when I was heating this up. So all I did to it was just warm it up to move it around a little bit easier on high heat, and then I moved the Angel White over the Onyx, and that was all I did. I did not heat it up much at all. And this is how it turned out. This is about 24 hours after it cured. I'm not sure if I should add a second layer or not. I don't know if I like this piece, so please let me know down in the comments what you think, if you like how it turned out. I do really love the Onyx mica pigment. It's very, very sparkly. It's so pretty with the Mehron Gold. I was going for negative space in this piece, so I wanted to try that because I really enjoy, pieces with negative space on them. But the gold is just so shiny. Love, love, love the Mehron Gold. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I apologize again that I lost the footage or my phone stopped recording when I was heating up the resin, but I just moved it around a little bit on high heat, not too much at all. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments if I should keep it or add a second layer. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to hang out with me and do some art for a few minutes. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on Friday for another video. Bye!